Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with day 2 of our total body fat burn challenge. We have a seated workout, so let's get right into it. All right, first exercise, we have a high knees with high arms. 30 seconds on the clock. All right, we're at the edge of our seat, arms up. All right, we're not shrugging our shoulders, and we have high knees with a nice flat foot. All right, so the entire body is engaged. You have good posture, breathing in your nose, out your mouth, and engaging that core. So we're bringing our knees up to us. We're not coming down to our knees. Nice straight back, using those core muscles to bring your knees towards your chest. Very good. Chin up, breathe. Awesome job. And 3, 2, 1. Bring those arms down, shaking it out, and then bring them right out to the side for a flex curl. Palms up. All right, and we're going to curl our biceps like this and coming back down to a straight arm. Very good. Tight, tight, tight. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze here, and then down. You can have your hands in a fist if you'd like, if that helps, or open. Personal preference, but we have good posture. Squeeze, squeeze. You can even hold here and squeeze, and then come back to straight. Taking your time. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze, 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 and coming out. Very good, shaking it out. Next, we have side punches. I love these. All right, we're twisting our torso, punching to the side. All right, coming back, and then the other way. But we're really using our entire body here. We're not just, no. Boom, pack a punch. All right, using your entire upper body, your torso, and everything to deliver that punch. Very good. So here you're working your arms, your core, and your back. Even your legs a little to keep you stabilized. So we don't want to be moving like this. So you're keeping firm on the ground, keeping your legs parallel to each other. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Next, we have a windmill. So arms out to the side, wide stance, hand goes to opposite foot. All right, and then back up. Using your core and your back muscles, all right? Nice straight here. You go straight, 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 straight until you have to twist. All right, and then coming back up to straight. Nice tight core, tight, very good. Even when you come down, suck it in, very good. Breathe in, exhale as you come down. Inhale, exhale, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Set 1 done. Awesome job. Going right to set 2, starting with our high knees and high arms. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, arms out to the side, flex curl. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze, 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 and release. Very good. Side punches. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, wide stance, windmill. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Up, together, very good. Shake it out. 2 sets, done and dusted. 1 more. High knees and high arms. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Arms out to the side. Flex curl. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, 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 and release. Very good. Side punches. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Wide stance, windmill. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, and there we have it. 3 sets of your day 2 total body fat burn challenge. I hope you loved it. Can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 3 with Coach Greg. Let me know what you think in the comments below so far, what other challenges you would like to see, and I'll see you tomorrow.